Good morning, students. So in previous class we were discussing about the chapter that says my body parts, and in this chapters we already learned that what is our body, what are our body parts, and which kind of functions our body do, our body parts do. And I told you to draw three our body parts, that is nose, eyes and ears. I hope you did your homework, and I already taught you that functions of our body parts. We have different parts of our body parts, and those all body parts having some different kinds of functions. For example, our eyes helps us to see, our ears helps us to listen, our hands helps us to write and clap. Okay, so like this, all of our body parts having different kinds of functions. Okay, and already we learned that by seeing a body part, you should write the functions of that body part particularly. So that was I given the homework. I hope you did it all. So today in the page number 89, all of you open the page number 89, and in that page a headline is there. With which part of your body do you see? Here it is. Can you see it? A headline is there. What is that? With which part of your body do you? It means they have given here some of functions, some of the things. So you have to recognize that by which of your body part you can do all these things. Okay. For example, bite. So with which body part you can bite? You can bite the food. Okay, and next one, write. By using which body part you can write. Okay, like this, by seeing all these functions you have to guess the body part. Okay, so take a pencil and see here. What is the first one? That is bite. Okay, that is bite. So by using which body part you can bite? You can bite the food. That is teeth. Okay, which body part is that? It is one, teeth. By using the teeth, you can bite the food. Okay. So the next body part is, the next function is write. Write andre bariyodu. So by using which body part you can write? That is hands. Okay. Kaile baritira. So hands. What is the third one? It is see. See andre nododu. So which body part you can use here to see the things? Okay, that is eyes. Eyes. Next one is run. Yes, by which body part you use to run? That is legs. Okay, legs. And the last one is smell. By which body part you use to smell the food, the flower, whatever is. Which body part you are using to smell? That is your nose. Okay. So these are the all body parts that you use to do the different kinds of functions. Okay. So after this, one more headline is there. Below that, see. Below that, one more headline is there. What is that? Write the names of all the body parts you see in the picture. Already I told you that how to recognize your body part. Okay, it's very easy. By seeing your body you can recognize the particular body parts. Okay, so what you have to do is here, just they have given the, how many pictures they have given? They have given the 9 pictures there. 9 pictures are there, and below the single picture they have given one, underline. Okay, so you have to recognize these pictures particularly, and you have to write those names of body parts. Okay, so just see the first picture. What is that? See the first picture. What is that? That is a hand. That is hand. So write hand. Okay, only one hand is there, so I am writing hand. If the two hands will be there, you can write hands. Okay, see the second picture. What is that? That is leg. Okay, that is leg. See the third picture and try to recognize it. What is that? That is your arm. That is your arm. Third one is arm. See, don't get confused in between arm and shoulder. This is called shoulder, but this is called arm. This is called wrist. This is called hand, and these are called fingers. Okay, don't get confused. So third one is arm. Okay, see the fourth picture. Which body part is that? That is mouth. That is mouth. Okay. See the next picture. What is that? That is your nose. That is nose. And what about next picture? That is ear. Okay. See the seventh picture. That is, those are eyes. Those are eyes. And the next picture, that is your leg. See the second picture again. See the second picture again. Don't write it leg, because they have given the eighth picture that is full leg. Okay, that you can call leg. In the second picture, it is foot. It is foot. Foot ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಾದ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಏನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರ foot ಅಷ್ಟ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರ. Full leg ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರ. ಎಲ್ಲೇ in the eighth picture. So that is like just correct it. Second picture. That is called foot. ಪಾದ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? So that is foot. Okay. And the last picture, what is that? You can see all body parts in the ninth picture. Those are eyes is there, nose is there, and mouth, ears, hair, head, all body parts are there. But except that a full body part is there. What is that? Head, face. Okay, that is called face. Face is also a body part. Okay. So after all this, just turn on the page. That is page number 90. That is page number 90. Okay. I will grab this now. See, what is the headline there? Fill in the blanks with the words given below. What is that? Fill in the blanks. Okay? Fill in the blanks ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಾ? ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಎಷ್ಟು words ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಾ? How many words they have given? Those are 6 words. 6 boxes are there and 6 words are there. See, I will show you here. This is here. Yes? 6 boxes are there. It means they have given 6 words. Okay. First one is play. Play. Next one is, what is that? Smell. Smell. Next one is run. Okay. Next one is write. Next, eat. And the last one is move. Move. Okay. So these are the some words that they have given. So and below that 6 questions are there. How many questions are there? 6 questions are there. Okay. So let me write all the questions first. Then I will give the answer. What is the first question? I can dash Ludo with my hands. I can dash Ludo with my hands. Okay. Next question. I can dash with my legs. I can dash with my legs. And the third question is, I can dash with my mouth. With my mouth. Next, I can dash my head with can dash with the head, my head with the help of my legs. Next, I can dash with my nose. And the final sixth one is I can dash with my fingers. Okay, see, here are 6 questions. You have to choose the correct answers from these boxes and write here. Okay, can you see it? Okay, so see the first question. I can dash Ludo with my hands. Ludo, what is the meaning of Ludo? I hope you all know about Ludo. It is a game. Okay, it is a game that you can play in mobile also. It is an indoor game. Okay, indoor game means you can play the games in home only. Okay, those are called indoor games. So I can dash Ludo with my hands. Ludo, by using which body part you can play Ludo? Those are the hands. Okay, where is hand? Play, smell, run, write, eat, move. Okay, so I can dash Ludo with my hands. You can play the Ludo with hands. Okay, so you can, what is the answer? Play. It is play. I can play Ludo with my hands. Next, I can dash with my legs. I can dash with my legs. Try to recognize the, try to find the answer. I can smell. No. I can smell with my legs. No. I can run with my legs. Yes. You can run with your legs. I can dash with my mouth. Mouth la ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ? Play, smell ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? No. Run ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? No. Then write? No. Then eat? Yes. I can eat. I can eat with my mouth. Okay. The next one, I can dash my head with the help of neck. I can dash my head with the help of my neck. What is the answer? Play, smell, run, write, eat, move. Yes, the last one, move. I can move my head with the help of neck. Yes, you can move your head. You can move your head to the right, to the left, to the everywhere. Okay? So, answer is move. I can move my head with the help of my neck. What is the next question? I can dash with my nose. I can dash with my nose. What do you do with your nose? You can eat? No. Can smell? Yes. Where it is? Here it is. Second one. So, I can smell. I can smell with my nose. What is the last question? I can dash with my fingers. I can dash with my fingers. Play, smell, run, write, eat, move. Yes, we can write with your fingers only. Okay? So, what is the answer? Write. I can write with my fingers. Okay? So, these are the answers with questions. Just copy it in your textbook. And also copy it in your notebook. Okay? After this, one more headline is there and some questions are there. What is that? See here. Here it is. Yes. Read the headline. What is the headline? Which of these are not a pair part of your face? Tick correct against them in the box. Okay. See here. I will tell you. what is the headline says? Which of these are not a pair? Pair andre eno? Eradu. Pair in the sense two. ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿ ಒಳಗೆ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಎರಡು ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವೇನಂತೀವಿ ಪೇರ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಯಾವ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಅದಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ ಸಿಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಪೇರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದಾವ ನಮ್ಮ ಫೇಸ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ ಪೇರ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಅದಾವ? ಐಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟೂ. ಓಕೆ, ದೋಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್. ದೆನ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಪೇರ್ಸ್, ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಲೆಗ್ಸ್, ಥೈಸ್, ಫೂಟ್, all these body parts are in pair. So what they asked for is which of these are not a part of your face? Tick the against in the box. Yav pair olagillala, see which of these are not a part of your face. Andra nim face olaga ee kottiruvanta body parts yav nimma face olaga illala avturke ಏನು ಮಾಡೋದು? ಟಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತಾರ. ಓಕೆ, just tick mark. Okay, neck is where you can see your neck. Is it in your face? No, it is your under face. It is in your under face. Then it is not your face part. Okay, then tick the right mark because it is not your face part. Where you can see your eyes? It is on your face. Yes, then don't tick it. Just let it. Okay, ishta iruttu. Next, nose. Yes, it is on your face. Don't tick it. Fingers. Yeah, where you can see your fingers in your hands, not on your face. Then just put the right mark. Okay. Next, toes. Yes, toes are in your legs. Put the right mark. Ears. You can see your ears on your face only. Then don't take it. Just let it. Where you can see mouth on your face, don't take it. Okay. Which among all these questions, among all these body parts, which body parts you cannot see on your face? Just tick it. Okay. Okay. So here this chapter is completed with questions also. Okay. Here a activity zone is there in your home. Okay. When you will get free time, just do it. In the page number 91. In the page number 91, what is there? Say, okay, what is there? Cut and paste the pictures of body parts in the space given below. A space is there, a big box is there, white box. What you have to do is just cut the body parts, not your body parts. Okay, somewhere you can see like ಎಲ್ಲಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದು ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗಾಗಲಿ ಪೇಪರ್ ಒಳಗಾಗಲಿ ಏನಿರುತ್ತಾ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ವಡೇವರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರೂ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಟಿಸ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಅಂಟಿಸಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಯಾವ ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೆಯೋದು ಬಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್. ಇಫ್ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ನೋಸ್, write it here nose. If it is a mouth, write it mouth. Okay, ಎಷ್ಟು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೋ ಅಷ್ಟು ಅಂಟಿಸ್ಲಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, so this is the activity zone. Do it in your free time. Okay, but ಇವತ್ತೇನು ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನೇನು ಬರ್ಸಿದ್ನಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ದಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇನ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಥರ್ಡ್ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. What is that? Third chapter is about my family. Okay, so I will continue in the next class.